possibly like water wet. Yeah.
Enjoying these cheeses also.
Yeah. So for dinner tonight, guys, we're gonna be doing a little bit of a baked potato in foil on the fire, and then we're gonna do this sausage with our little roasting sticks that we had in the last video. Guys, we're still working through this Fireside pop-up tent. Loving it. It's working at this campsite just like it has the others. So we're gonna chop up a little bit of onions, put some crema on it when we're done, some cheese. I think we're gonna cook it, the potato, with a little bit of olive oil and then some salt and some garlic. And that's gonna be it. So we're gonna walk through this real quick, get it on the fire, and then just kick back and enjoy some of this Georgia forest. So what we got going on over here is we're trying to dry out some of this wood down here. We have that plague of the wet wood from last week. And so we kind of got some of it around the perimeter, trying to dry it out a bit. And here's these guys just kind of sitting on the side, waiting for that fire to really get popping. And then we're gonna get the sausage on there. All right, guys, we're gonna get the fire while we can and get these little dudes roasting. So we got a bit of a fire going now. We're starting to crouch some of these top little sticks in to see if they won't light. That wet wood is just killing us, but I think we're gonna get this food cooked one way or the other. I gotta put these potatoes back where they're getting a little bit of attention. All right. The fire's doing pretty good. Sadly, we had to succumb to finding basically dead branches out in the woods. Our wood is so dead, it's just not working. But while these are cooking, the potatoes are almost done. Jolene has that under control. I want to show you something before it gets dark and we're not able to show you. So full disclosure, Jolene did this last time, but we decided she's just gonna stay over there and cook. So I'm going to slice down the middle, open that guy up, but I'm leaving this end, I'm leaving that end, and now we're just grabbing some marshmallows. Guys, they don't make marshmallows like they used to. If you agree, let me know in the comments, but there's just something they're doing to them. Quite frankly, sometimes I feel like they kind of taste like poison. I know that sounds terrible, but it's true. They just kind of taste like really weird. So Here we go, getting some marshmallows down in there. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know if next week or in a couple weeks you want to see Jolene make these instead, so you know exactly how to do it right. Maybe if we get some people to tell us that in the comments, then maybe she'll hop on and show us how to do this. I just don't want it to get dark, and that fire will not agree with us. So this is what we're getting tonight, at least on the first one. I think maybe I'll leave one of these ones for Jolene to do off camera. But check that out. That's pretty much what it is. It gets really warm in there, and that is the most ooey gooey chewy situation on the market. So let's take this over and put it on the fire.
We have to foil it. You have to foil it.
We have to foil it. We have to foil it, guys. We have to foil it, and I remember that now. Guess we're gonna double foil it because that one tore. All right. With Jolene's approval, let's head back. There's that banana right there, and we got the potatoes. I think they're ready to come off, and the sausage looks done to me. So we're about to chow down. All right, let's see how this potato turned out. I think it's done. We still got a little bit of fire going over there. So in case it's not, we can put it back on. Oh my goodness, let's see. Oh, nope. All right, it's going back on. Well, the potato is being a little obstinate and it's not ready, probably because we just can't control that fire at all. But I don't think that these bananas need very long at all. So let's check this out, guys. And I bet you're gonna give this a go next time you're out camping. It's pretty basic. Last time we did an almond joy, so we had a little bit of nut in there. But guys, oh my goodness, check that out. So that, we get dessert first. My grandma used to say, eat dessert first because life is uncertain. Actually, she had that as a fridge magnet, and I remember that. So we're gonna chow down on this and that sausage and mix things up a bit tonight, but look at that. So everything just kind of melts and it turns into this ooey gooey goodness.
It's healthy, right? It's a banana.
Here it is, guys, done or not. We're taking these off. Everything is kind of burning at this point. Our fire's almost gone. So that's what we're left with. And it's a lot softer than it was last time, but it's not quite done. So I really think with the potatoes, we had it right a couple of videos back. Make sure and check out the video where we were cooking salmon and we had the potatoes. Guys, we chopped them up. We threw them on foil and put some, I think some oil and stuff in there, the same kind of oil, but we chopped them up a bit. And so I'm gonna go ahead next time and make these. I'm gonna call them poor man's potato. I don't know why, but I just think chopping them up, throwing some of these same ingredients in there, and then eating it kind of like you would a baked potato is the way to go. But guys, obviously the sausage is done. The bananas are done and we're having a blast. We got a little bit of fire left behind us. This state park is really worth your while. If you're in this area, you know, pull off the road. We're right by High Falls State Park. You guys saw us over there, so make sure and check this one out too. Between the two of them, I don't know, that one had a lot more trails. So if you want to do trails, head over to High Falls. This one's a little bit more rugged, has a lake and some neat scenery in the campground. You can check that out. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and end it there. I really hope you're enjoying these videos. We're putting them out almost every week right now, so we'd love to hear from you guys in the comments below. what you like and what you'd like to see more of. We got a ton of gear to go over, and we're always looking for creative meals and stuff like that that we can cook out on the fire. We are headed into Alabama soon, so you're gonna see a little bit of change of scenery, but probably not much. I think it's gonna look about the same, but we'll see. Haven't really spent much time there. And then eventually into summer, we're so excited. We're making our way into the Pacific Northwest, where we really wanna be. But first we're stopping off in Texas for a little bit and then winding up as we get towards summer. So I hope you guys will stick along for the journey. Make sure and subscribe, that way you will be along for the journey. Hit the bell, that way you get notified every time we put a video out. Until the next one, guys, God bless you, get up and go on. On second thought, these potatoes are pretty good. They're nice and crunchy and crispy, and I like them.